When it comes to dropshipping, customer service can make or break your business. Today, we're diving into Spocket versus SaleHoo, which has better customer service for dropshipping. Stay tuned till the end, as I'll be revealing which platform truly stands out in this area, and you'll want to hear my thoughts after using both of these tools for a while. Let's start with Spocket. They've built a reputation for having a strong support team. You can reach them via live chat, which is convenient, and they also have email support. But here's where it gets tricky. If you need a quick response, the wait times can sometimes be longer than expected. For a business that needs quick answers, this can be frustrating. Spocket offers a knowledge base, but let's be real, sometimes you need a human to solve an issue that an article just can't. Next thing to consider is SaleHoo. SaleHoo provides 24/7 support, and I'll give them credit for that. They offer live chat, phone support, and email. On top of that, they have a pretty solid community forum where users can interact and solve each other's problems. That being said, their customer service quality is a bit hit or miss. Some users report fast, helpful responses, while others feel like they didn't get the help they were expecting. It's one of those situations where you might get lucky, but you might also find yourself waiting for a while. The fourth thing to keep in mind is their resources. Both platforms have extensive educational content, but this is where Spocket seems to have the edge. They not only have guides and tutorials, but they also have a dedicated Spocket Academy where you can learn how to make the most of your dropshipping experience. This extra effort shows they're investing in educating their customers, which is a great bonus. Then we have the overall ease of use. Spocket is intuitive and has a user-friendly interface. When issues do arise, navigating their support system is relatively easy, but sometimes the solution might be more complicated than it appears at first glance. On the flip side, SaleHoo's interface is less modern. It can take a little time to get used to, and some users have reported difficulty in finding specific support resources within the platform. Now let's talk about accountability. When something goes wrong with either of these platforms, it's important to feel like you're not just another ticket in a queue. Both Spocket and SaleHoo can be a bit lacking in this area. Spocket's customer service is generally friendly, but they can sometimes come off as more reactive than proactive. SaleHoo isn't always great at tracking issues through to resolution, meaning you might need to follow up multiple times for a satisfactory outcome. Finally, the price-to-value ratio. Spocket offers a free trial, which is fantastic, but you'll have to upgrade for any advanced support or features. SaleHoo is a paid service with a lifetime membership, which some people find appealing, but the support isn't exactly premium for what you pay. Now, here's the deal. Both Spocket and SaleHoo have their strengths and weaknesses when it comes to customer service. But after using both, I can tell you that there's a better option out there. If you're serious about dropshipping and want a platform that offers not only better customer service, but also a smoother overall experience, you should take advantage of the free trial for the link in the description. By signing up through my link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. It's time to level up your dropshipping game with a better alternative. Trust me, you won't regret it.